We have a 72-inch, 70+ inch ceiling fan without a light, remote control, many features and functions of the unit. If you never installed a ceiling fan or have the brackets above, then now's the time to do so before making your choice. What we're going to do is show you how to install this fan, how simple it is, how it's going to cool this nice large room off. Let's get started. We have the ceiling fan bracket. We're going to place it up here, put the 2 screws on, adjust, and lock down. We have 3 options. We could put on a short pole, a medium pole, and a long pole. We have a template, an instruction manual, hardware, remote control transmitter accessories, a face cover, fan cover. If the fan comes with an optional light, which it does not, we have a cover for the screw on the bottom. And 3 large wooden blades. 6 of the screws, except 1, which is extra, not needed. This is the top facing up. This is your blade. You're going to match each of the holes and then place the template over and then place your bolt in and screw down. Get one started, don't over tighten, leave loose, and repeat for every other one. When all are in, tighten up every single one. As you go along, you're going to alternate when tightening. Take the cap, place on, and gently screw down. You have a cutler pin and bolt. What you're going to do is pull this out, put it to the side, then you're going to not put this on first, but what you're going to do is put this cover on first. Then you're going to put the dress cover on second. It has like a little rubber, so it's going to hold. And the shorter pole is going to be a little harder than the longer poles because you have less room to work with. Snake your leads through. Make sure all go through. And you have 2 bolts here and here. Tighten these screws up. They're going to secure your post so it doesn't slide out. And the cutler bolt's going to prevent it from falling down when it revolves upstairs. Push down. It covers everything. And when you're going to hang this up, you're going to lock this, twist it, and you're good to go. But now you're going to work on your leads. You're going to put on your remote transmitter. And that's simple to do. Pink goes to pink. Gray goes to gray. And if you make a mistake, you can simply grab the cable, pull it apart, and put it to the correct lead like so. The fans today are very light. They're not heavy indeed. And we're going to rest it on top of the ladder. Get to the height you need. What you're going to do is hang the fan up. The gimbal goes to the bracket. You may not have enough room to work because of the small pole. It goes into place. You're going to hear a click when you rotate the gimbal arm. There it is, it's locked into place. And you're going to take the remote control. You're going to slide it in. You're going to take your leads for the power, which are over here, and hook up. If you want to hook it up this way, you can do any way you want. Make sure all your leads tuck through. Secure your cover on. Give a little twist. Lock down your screws. The remote control can be hung up on the wall. You find a spot for it. You're going to supply your own 2 AAA batteries. We have an all-off, lights on and off, if it's an optional for lights, 6 speeds, the fan off in the center, a forward or reverse, a wind that's going to give you different types of fan speeds. That's what I like to call that button. A 1, 2, and 4 hour timer and an indicator light. As you can see, it lights up red. We're going to turn our AC on and run the fan. Speed number 2, we have a blink, a little sound, and there we are. Oh boy, that fan is going. And that's got a beautiful breeze to it. Nice and quiet indeed. We increased it to speed number 6. It's got a nice brown look. It matches the floor of the living room. Does a beautiful job. It's really big. And when I sit down on the sofa or anywhere in the love seat area, I'm going to get the breeze during those hot summer times. We're going to give that little wind thing a shot. Now we have a forward and we have a reverse. And the reverse is used when you want to draw the heat to you. And in the summertime, you want it forward to draw the cool air to you. And that's what we're doing. We put it on the reverse mode. It takes a few seconds. It's a DC motor. It's got a real large wingspan. And this is a ceiling fan that you may like for your large living room. I hope you enjoyed this 72-inch wooden ceiling fan. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.